Okay, so now that we know a dashboard is a group of visuals to help you understand the data and make decisions, let's talk about the different types of dashboards. Dashboards can be used for both exploratory and explanatory analysis. So for exploratory dashboards, the goal is to explore and profile the data to see what insights emerge. So here you're not entirely sure about what the story is in your data, but the dashboard is built in such a way that it allows the end user to easily slice and dice the data in order to find that story. In other words, it helps them understand the data and identify interesting patterns and trends. But with explanatory dashboards, on the other hand, the goal is to tell a specific story or explain exactly what happened and why. So in this scenario, you've already analyzed the data and found the key business drivers, and the dashboard is there to deliver those insights and recommendations clearly. Now that doesn't mean that everything is in black and white and that a dashboard needs to be strictly exploratory or strictly explanatory. The reality is that most dashboards lie somewhere in between. So, pro tip, to allow for both exploratory and explanatory analysis, design the dashboard in a way that tells a clear story, but also includes interactive elements that encourage exploration. And this becomes especially relevant when dealing with dynamic or growing source data. After all, you can't know what the story is going to look like next month, but what you can do is set your dashboard up in such a way that it will make it easier to find that story and explain it properly. And the key to doing this successfully is to know what it is that your end user is looking for. So that's going to be the focus of our next lecture.